We're really honored to be the innkeeper for this period of time, and we just want to do it justice and keep it this beautiful space that it is, so that for generations to come, they get to see the beauty right here in Palmyra. The studio has been expanding and it's grown so fast that we've just been looking for somewhere so that we can grow. I walked in and fell in love. The hairs on the back of my neck stood up. I had a sense in that first moment that we were going to have the bank someday and we were going to be dancing in it. The people in Palmyra really care about this building. So we did know early on that we bought like Palmyra's building, and we didn't want people to be disappointed. Now I feel excited for people to see it. And I know people will really appreciate it and love how it turned out, because it just is such a pretty building. There's been a lot of paint samples on the walls. I just wanted to marry the fact that this space started as a bank. It's now a dance studio. What could we do to respect and honor what it was, maintain it, and add to it what suits us? Our open house, which is a community event, as well as it being the dance studio's open house, we really want the community to know you're welcome. Like, the bank is open and we'd love for you to see the space.